Hey guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel again, and today I'm going to show you my all-time favorite South Indian filter coffee. Yes guys, I simply love it, and with its stimulating aroma, it's like an alarm clock that can wake you up when you're really tired. So let's get started. So basically for this you'll be needing a coffee powder to prepare the coffee. Try using a good quality filter coffee powder, and just keep in mind the filter coffee powder is different from the instant coffee, and the one I'm using is Kapi. And you also need a South Indian filter coffee maker to make this hot beverage. The one I'm using is the steel one. It's very easily available in any utensil store. So it includes two cylindrical vessels. The top vessel has the perforation in it and it fits into the lower vessel which collects the coffee which is brewed, and there's also a pressing disc with a handle and a lid. So this is the base vessel where the coffee decoction is collected. So in the top part goes the coffee with this lid, and the coffee gets collected down. So now let's move on to making the coffee. Place the top vessel on top of the lower vessel and then place 3 to 4 tablespoons of coffee. Press it down with the help of this disc just to level it up, and in case you feel the coffee is less, you can put some more coffee. So total I'm using 3 to 4 tablespoons of coffee depending on the size of your vessel. Press it nicely with the disc with this handle, level it up, and next heat 1 cup of water in a saucepan, bring it to a good boil and pour over this. Add 1/4 cup of water, wait for a while, you can see it's going inside, it's absorbing the water, and again add some more. You can add more or less as per your preference, but maximum you can add half to 3/4 cup of water. So I'm adding the hot water. And now cover it with a lid and let it stand for about 15 to 20 minutes, and the brewed coffee will get collected down. So keep that aside. And in case if you don't have this filter coffee maker, you can simply use your daily strainer and line it with a muslin cloth and follow the same procedure. Just place 2 tablespoons of coffee powder over it depending on the size. And add the hot boiling water in batches, and slowly your decoction will get collected down. So it's been almost 15 to 20 minutes. Let me show you the decoction which is collected in the steel vessel. You can see this decoction is nice and quite thick. You can see this is the brewed coffee and this is to die for, guys. And I'll also show you the residue. Look at this. You can discard this. And I'll also show you the coffee which got collected in the mug. This is also the perfect coffee decoction, but it's slightly thinner than the one which we did earlier. Now let's start preparing the coffee. Here I've got some boiling milk. Mix the milk, and using a whisk or a spoon you can do this way to create froth in it, as frothy as you want, or if you want you can also use a hand whisk or even hand blender for this. And there are some mini coffee makers also in the market, you can use that as well for creating froth in your milk. So keep the boiling milk ready. You can see the froth is nicely created. Now finally moving to assembling everything. Here I've got this dabra which is also called coffee cups in the market. I'm adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of coffee decoction depending on how strong or light you would like to. Next I'm adding 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of sugar in both, again depending on your preference. and then add the boiling milk from the top. Superb. You can see the froth over this. This is the perfect and authentic filter coffee. If you want, you can enjoy as it is also. I'm pouring some more decoction on top. So this is the way it is served. If you want, you can enjoy as it is also, or simply you can mix both of them this way. You can see the way I'm doing. Just mix it in that way. The decoction and the sugar again will mix with each other. And then finally, few people like to garnish it with some milk froth on top and some more decoction. So here you go guys, your very own homemade filter coffee is ready to enjoy. You can enjoy it with some idli or vada on the side. I hope you enjoyed this recipe today as much I did in making it, and if yes, do give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll see you soon in the next coming video. Until next time, take care and bye bye.